2021 Alaska Airmen Raffle Cub. We've got it covered, but first of all, we've got Univair ribs on it that we purchased from Stoddard's Aircraft Parts. We've got new spars that we purchased from Stoddard's Aircraft Parts, and most of the skins, leading edge skins and the false spar, came from Stoddard's also. We're covering it with Ortex fabric, which came from Better Aircraft Fabric. Lars is his name, and they're one of our sponsors. Currently, we've got this airplane, this wing built up and covered. If we come over to this other wing, which is off of my personal airplane, we've got Randy Sponholtz, and we've got Jared Hudson. Randy builds all our wings. He's the one that built the wing up for the 2021 Raffle Cub. If you look around the hangar here, he's built most of the wings on all the airplanes in here. He's been building our wings now for about 6 years. And we got Jared. Jared is our Ortex guru.
The guru.
He's the guru in Ortex, and he's rib stitching the tank bay on this wing. And this is off of my airplane. What do you have to say about the Ortex?
Ortex is the best fabric to work with. It doesn't smell, and you don't have to paint it.
Well, I don't do the Ortex, but I do a lot of Seekonite and some Stitz. And it's just, I mean, it's a proven method also. So it holds up for 20, 30 years. So nothing wrong with Seekonite either.
Right.
So we got the doggy door built here. We built the insert out of fiberglass because the reason we didn't build it out of carbon fiber is carbon fiber and aluminum make each other corrode. So we built the doggy door frame out of fiberglass because there's no corrosion differences between aluminum rivets and fiberglass, and the weight cost is very minimal. And we put this in here, built my door, and now we're ready to take this off and fabric. The right side of the interior is completely ready to fabric. On the left side, we put our inspection rings for the access panel to the throttle, access panel to the trim, and the fuel selector, and then the flap actuation down here for this hole. On Ortex, putting in the round rings are easy. All you do is take one of the round plastic rings and put it on with super glue and cut out the center, and that's how easy it is to add an inspection ring. So down the road, if anybody wanted to work on the trim pulley for some reason, they would glue an inspection ring on with super glue, cut the center out, and now they have access behind it. Very simple process. So back here, once again, I added an inspection ring. I'll cut it out for access to the pulley. And on this side, you can see it's access to the ADSB out antenna. We'll have to cut that out, add the antenna after we fabricate it, and then plug it in. So very simple to add inspection rings. Down the road, if you had to work on the trim cable and you wanted to get here, you'd just glue an inspection ring on, cut it out, and then put one of the round snap panels in to be able to cover it back up.